What's up, YouTubers? Let's see what we have today. We have the Arrma Typhon 6S, capable of 70 plus miles an hour. Let's open this beast up. I've been excited on this one. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got madness coming up, guys. We got stickers. We got lots of Arrma stickers, guys. We got tools. Most important, guys, we have the speed pinion. That'll be coming up in another video. Excited on that one. That's how you get that 70 plus mile an hour out of it, baby. Let's get this thing out of the box and see what we have. Ooh, they got her jammed in good, guys. Alright. Here it is. Check out those shocks. Look at those things, guys. Oh man, I'm excited on this one. What do we got? Let's see what we need to get started on this. Alright. Gotta find that in the box here. Alright. What you need to get started requires 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. You need a charger. You need either 3S or 2 3S batteries to equal your 6 cell, or you can get by with a 4S, and that's all Spectrum stuff. You want to use that because then it all matches up and it's just great stuff. We'll talk about that later when we open that up. Alright, what else do we got here? Looks like here we got the transmitter. Alrighty, here's the transmitter. Looks pretty cool. Alright, we'll need batteries for that later. Alright, let's see what this thing's all about now. All new for the Typhon 6S. It's got the new Spectrum 3-channel transmitter. It's got the new Spectrum 3-channel dual receiver. It's got the new Spectrum all metal geared receiver, or servo, sorry. It's got the new Arrma Spectrum smart waterproof ECU. And the most important thing to power this beast, guys, it's got the brushless Spectrum 2050K motor. This thing will be a rocket ship. Alright, let's see what we got here now. One thing cool about this one, all aluminum for the 6S. The shocks, as you can see, the towers, they're all aluminum. The shocks are all aluminum. Let's get this cover off and see what we got under the hood, guys. Alright. Like all Arrma, don't just bash, blast. Alright, what do we got? Looks like you have your hookups here for 3S or 6S. You got the big 2050 motor here. There's your ECU. You got your all metal servo. Looks like it's got metal drive shafts. A lot of metal in this one, guys, compared to the 3S. This thing I think is worth the money. All right, what else do we got? We got, looks like all metal undercarriage. It's got all metal bulkhead. This thing's pretty sweet. I'm excited. All right, what else do we got? Let's check out what you need now to get started. You need batteries, car batteries. So we got the big boy we're starting out with, the big 6S Spectrum. 100C, 22.2 volts, all power, baby. This is a beast. Check that thing out. Look at that. The big 6S Spectrum. All right, what else do we got? We have the 4S, 14.8 volts, 100C. Let's unpackage this baby and see what we have, guys. What do we got? Oh man, 5,000 milliamps, 100C. This will push it along, but to get that 70 plus miles an hour, guys, we got to remember, we're gonna have to use this 6S, 100C, 500 milliamps, and we got to get the pinion in. We got to get the speed pinion in later on. That'll be coming up in another video, guys. So just remember, hit that like and subscribe button. What else do we have here, guys? We have the Spectrum S1100 charger. That thing's gonna be nice. Let's unbox this thing and see what we have, guys. Oh, they got it packaged in here good. Alright. Let's get this out of the box. Okay. We got a mess here. We got a mess of madness, guys. Alright. So here's your charging cable. So it just plugs right into that like that. And then you have your capable of your 3S, and then here's your 3S. And flip that up. There's where your plug-in for your 6S goes. That's where the power really happens, guys. You put that 6S in there, charger up. But anyways, all right. So you got your batteries, you got your charger, and one thing really cool about the smart charger, guys, for this Spectrum, you plug this thing in, and the cool thing is this thing knows exactly what to do. You don't have to do nothing. You just plug it in and it charges the battery. It knows what amps to put in that battery, so you can't blow that thing up or wreck them expensive batteries. They don't give these things away. All right, so what else do we have? We got batteries. We need four AA batteries for your transmitter. Let's put these things in now. We're gonna fire this thing up in a little bit and just turn it on and see what it's about later on in the video. Okay, put your 4 AA batteries in just like that. Nice and easy. Alrighty, make sure we got power on. Okay, we got power. We're lit. Okay, what else do we have, guys, in our bag of tricks? We have the Pro line. Oh yeah, baby. We got Pro line street tires. These things are nice. These are the ones you would put on the, these go on the Felon. These go on the Felon for the Arrma Felon, but we're gonna use them on the Typhoon. It's gonna be nice for the road. These are the belt tires, just like a normal car tire. These are gonna be sweet. Let's get these things out of the package and see what we have. Because when this thing's on 6S power, guys, it's gonna shred these tires like, it's gonna rip these things right apart on the car. So we're gonna wanna put these road tires on. Look at these things, man. Woo. Look at how sweet that's gonna be. Check it out. It's gonna be nice. Look at that. That's gonna be nice. We're gonna do that. That's gonna be another video to come though. We're gonna drive this thing on the road. We'll try her out later. That'll be another video to come. Okay, we got one more. You need 4. There's another pack. You need all 4 tires for this thing because it's 4-wheel drive and they're all equal. Alright. Let's put these things on, I think. I think we're going to try it. I think we're going to see how it looks. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, there's your dirt tires. Look at that. Look at that suspension on that thing. Let's just put one on. We're just gonna put 2 on, 2 street tires, and have 2 dirt tires on there, and we're gonna see how it looks. We're gonna see the difference. I'd like to check it out and see the stance difference anyhow, just to see. All right, let's get this from Arrma. They come with the tools that you need to take this stuff off, guys. All right, we're gonna try throw the street tires on there now just to try it out. We're gonna put 2 on each side just to see the difference. I'm curious to see what the difference will be. And after we take this off, I wanted to show you guys this. One reason I wanted to put the street tires on, this is all aluminum. And if you get the 3S model, the Typhoon, it's not all aluminum. So you pay for what you get. You know, all these tie rod, this is all aluminum. Isn't that nice? Your stuff, you're gonna have more fun bashing and thrashing. You're not gonna be broke down fixing. All right, let's see what we got now. Let's throw a tire on. You just line it up, super simple. Ooh, I like it already. All right, let's throw this nut back on. Throw that on there. Oh boy. Let's check it out. Alright, you don't want to over tighten it either. You just want to get her nice and snug. You don't want to get her too tight, otherwise it's gonna strip that thing right out. Okay. Take that off. I want to put that off to the side. Throw another tire on here. Keep it on its side. Here works better usually when you're putting tires on like this. Get her on its side. Now I want to show you too on the back. The back's the same way. That's all aluminum on the back. You got all aluminum housing. It's awesome. All right. Let's put this thing on here now. Make sure that's pushed on all the way when you put this tire on. Okay, snug her up now. Don't over tighten it. Okay, we got her snug up on there. Now let's check it out. Let's see what looks cooler. I don't know. I think I like the, I think I'm digging them street tires. They look pretty slick. What do you guys think? There they are. Or the dirt. They're both pretty cool. Let's put this battery in and see what it's just turn it on and see how this servo is. Let's check it out. All right. So, gotta undo this here. I got this thing on here, wrapped on here tight, guys. I don't want that 6S flying out of here. I see that. So, undo this, take this off. We're just gonna put the 4S in first, I think. Just pop this thing right in just like so. I think we gotta go this way. Okay, now, here we go. Plug this baby in like that. Oh yeah. So, that's on. Grab your transmitter. Here's your power button over here. Turn that thing on. Oh boy, we got power. We got power. What do we got going on here now? Turn that transmitter on. Ooh, that's tight. I like that. Very responsive, that servo. You can tell it's the upgraded model. Super, super tight. That'll be good for when you're trying to get them tight corners. I like it. See how it looks with the top on now? Let's make sure to put this strap back on here. All right, now. This top back on. Back on so like that. These pins are nice too, because they have the little rubber on here so you won't lose them. That's pretty slick. I like that a lot. That's a good thing. Otherwise you're gonna be buying new pins. Your top won't stay on, that's not good. All right, see, check her out. Look at how it looks. You guys tell me, what do you guys like better now? The street tires? Or off-road tires. I don't know. I think I'm digging the street. But next video to come, we're going to test some tires out and see what it's all about. Thank you, YouTubers. Why don't you guys hit that subscribe button and like button? Appreciate it. We'll see you guys in other videos to come.